So what do you look for in a new TV in 2024? Ultra slim design, powerful speedy interface, great display tech for live TV, movies and gaming. Well, this might just be what you've been looking for. This is the 85-inch Samsung Neo QLED 8K QN900D TV. That's the name. Samsung's flagship, top-of-the-range, ultra-premium TV for 2024, and boy, is it impressive. Packing Samsung's most advanced AI-powered 8K processor, intuitive Tizen OS software, all wrapped up in this Infinity Air design, makes this easily one of the best TVs on the planet right now, if you have the coin for it. So what is this processor that I speak of? Well, this is called the NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor, and compared to the previous gen NQ4 AI Gen 2, it has a 25 times greater neural network, 2 times faster NPU, 2.2 times faster GPU, and 30% faster CPU. But what does all that really mean for your actual viewing experience? Well, before we get to that, firstly, we must address the elephant in the room, and that is that fly that keeps flying past the camera. That's annoying. What is the actual elephant in the room? Oi, Adam, there's not really much 8K content out there to watch. Nearly everything still tops out at 4K, and some is still shot in just full HD. So why would I want to pay for an 8K TV? Well, I hear you. But the great thing about this specific Samsung TV is that you are actually able to experience better picture details and clarity because of the available AI upscaling. So expect 1.8 times the resolution of a 4K Neo QLED TV and 90% the resolution of native 8K content. And as you can see here, the picture looks absolutely stunning. It really is up there with the best in class, there is no question. 8K mini LED alternatives at this level of quality, you'll be hard pushed to find. Super deep blacks for an LED screen, and a lot of that is down to the Neo QLED mini LED technology inside, where the pixels are actually 1/40th smaller than traditional LED TVs, and looking directly in front of the screen, it's right up there with OLED for those deep dark inky black levels, meaning dark scenes in movies and games look super clear and accurate with no greying images or light bleeds from the edges. But on top of that, you also get a super high contrast ratio with insane brightness levels too. Even in direct sunlight, outdoor environments, this thing absolutely shines. Excuse the pun. One downside, no Dolby Vision support, although it's already crazy bright and you can slightly see bright light reflections sometimes, and the picture quality does fall away slightly as you move to the sides, but outside of that, it's absolutely glorious. Now, once you've unboxed and set this TV up, which is pretty self-explanatory following the inbox instructions, and simple as long as you have extra pairs of hands to help, because it's absolutely massive. You are greeted with Samsung's Tizen OS, which, thanks to that NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor, is super slick and easy to navigate. There have been a few tweaks to this in 2024, like recommended content, which is based on your watch history, and it includes gaming options from the Samsung Gaming Hub. You have recently watched and popular searches available, and underneath you have a customizable row of your most used apps. This TV is also part of Samsung's growing ecosystem that can be used in conjunction with Samsung SmartThings. If you wanted to connect your Samsung smartphone, for example, interact with smart lights, etc. All of this can be controlled using this small but effective remote. You have all the core features you would want, including a voice button, a few app shortcuts, and a solar panel on the back for charging, which is pretty neat. You also get this more standard remote too. That's just come on. I've just clicked one of the shortcut buttons. There you go, you've seen it in the flesh, working a dream. So the premium appearance of this TV is undeniable. Almost invisible bezels, like crazy thin, solid build quality and super slim side aesthetics, without feeling dangerously flimsy like some that you feel like they're just going to snap when you're mounting them on a wall, for example. You can either wall mount this or place it on the accompanying stand like I've done here. And this looks really cool. The stand has a kind of mirror-like quality to it, so it appears a little like the TV is floating. On the back you have these 6.2.4 channel speakers on either side for more punchy bass, and whilst not incredible, the built-in speakers are still better than the average. Personally, if you want the very best audio experience, I would still pair this unit with a compatible dedicated sound system though. And you may be thinking, well, where do I connect it? Where are the ports on this TV? Well, on this TV, you have this Samsung One Connect box included, which you can connect to your TV via this solitary cable, and everything else connects off it. It's almost like magic. It looks just like a DVD player or a small console, so it doesn't look out of place, but you can even hide it by stacking it neatly on the top of the TV stand. You wouldn't even know it was there. It's pretty cool. Ethernet, optical, antenna, your USB Type A's, and 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, one of which has eARC support, so this is where you would connect a soundbar, for example, if you have one. You can expect low 10.8 millisecond input lag and up to 4K 240Hz variable when gaming, and it looks unreal. The Samsung Gaming Hub offers cloud-based games, the likes of Xbox and Nvidia GeForce Now, and gaming sessions are also enhanced by an AI auto game mode where settings are optimized for such occasions, all thanks to that NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor. As well as that game mode and aforementioned 8K AI Upscaling Pro for better picture clarity, you also within the area of picture have AI Motion Enhancer Pro, which sharpens and smoothens object motion and text. An AI customization mode helps to select the optimal picture settings based on what you are watching, sports, movies, etc. For audio, on top of the Dolby Atmos, the Active Voice Amplifier Pro helps increase voice clarity, and Adaptive Sound Pro remasters what you're hearing through AI audio processing to provide more of what the artist was intending. And finally, on AI, you have an energy mode which helps conserve energy by analysing your usage, the content you're watching, and more. And then there's security. We've all become accustomed to privacy and security on our computers and phones, but not really on our TVs, until now. As this TV comes with Samsung's famous Knox security, so your TV can be now as secure, technically, as your Samsung smartphone, something that I think is really pretty important because you do put, a lot of stuff on your TV. Overall, to cut a long story short, the Samsung Neo QLED 8K is by far one of the best TVs you can buy right now, and while there still isn't a great deal of 8K content available, the AI upscaling is seriously impressive and makes 4K and even lower res content look incredible. And if you can afford it, and you have the space for it, you'd struggle to find one better. I will leave all the information in the video description below for this specific TV. Like and share if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful and want to see more, and follow my other social media channels for more short form content as well. My name's Adam, you've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.